Hi everyone. Right, today's painting is happening kind of at the last minute. So, in fact, 12 hours until it's my turn to go in this premiere train. So it's been a bit of a rush to decide what to do. I've been wanting to do a flop cup again for ages. I've done a couple before. I love doing them because it gives me such a feeling of freedom. So I've just picked a bunch of colours. I have pinks and greens. I hardly ever use green, so this could be interesting. Some gold shades and a pearl yellow, because I think that goes really well with the gold shades. And I've managed to scrape together a couple of base paint. I've got a black, which is mixed with just a little bit of the silver, and a titanium white. And then I have a very, very dodgy coloured pot of leftovers that I've scraped off the table, just in case I needed to move things around. Hopefully not, because it really is a pretty greyish, muddy colour. So, yeah, the gold ones are Winsor Newton gold. Then I've got a nice mix of Deco rose gold and Amsterdam copper. That's a really nice colour. And then a nice dark chocolatey gold colour. This is an Amsterdam deep gold, Winsor Newton gold, Deco berry and Deco sapphire mix. Then the greens, this one is Liquitex Phthalo green and Phthalo blue, and Amsterdam Azo yellow light, and Liquitex white. So that's a rather nice green colour there. This one's more about turquoise. This one's Liquitex Phthalo blue and green, 1-to-1 mix. Okay, next one, Liquitex Phthalo green, and blue and white, that one there. And then a really nice sort of emerald green, I think. Liquitex Phthalo green and blue, Amsterdam Azo yellow light, and pearl green in that one. Right, my pink ones. This one's really nice. It's a nice salmon colour. And I can't remember what's in this one. I haven't written it down. Oops. Right, this one here is Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta, Phthalo Blue, Winsor Newton Silver, and Amsterdam Pearl Violet in that one. This one is just a straight Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta. Beautiful colour. I love it. I absolutely adore it. And this one is sort of a nice berry colour, I think. Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta, Phthalo Blue, and Winsor Newton Silver. Right. So those are my colours. My canvas is a deep edge one. It's got a nice thick profile, 3.5 centimetres or about 1.5 inches. The size of it, this is one of my favourite shapes, where the length is twice the width. It's 13 by 60 centimetres, which is roughly 12 by 24 inches. Right. So there we go. I'm going to bring you in closer, and I'm going to start just mixing my colours and going with the flow. Now, I'm just going to get on with laying down the cup of paint. I am going to need a fair bit, I think. About 400 ml, whatever that is in ounces. I haven't got a clue. Sorry about that. But yeah, I did the calculations, and that's roughly what it should be. Now, I am somewhat concerned about the green and the pink together. So I'm just going to try and lay down either a goldy colour or the, pearl yellow in between the green and the pink layers, hopefully avoiding mud. But, just got to see what happens, I guess. Okay, some more of the more pink. I love this color, sort of a shimmery salmon sort of job. And yeah, a couple of those bottles they're almost done. So yeah, I'm just gonna squirt the rest of it in there, and then I can just clean the bottles and make some more. I can see a paint mixing day in my near future. Okay, what next? Let's pop some pearl yellow in there. Yeah, this is pretty random going. Yeah, I do love doing stuff like this at times. You know, sometimes you just spend crazy amounts of time planning your color palette, really thinking about the how the colors go together, your recipes, mixing the colors, letting them rest, really planning. And other times you just go with the flow, and I do love the whole going with the flow. It does my fairly controlling nature quite good, I think. Oh dear. Okay, not that much more to go. Yeah. What next? Let's put some of that coppery colour in there. So yeah, I am on summer vacation. My day job's been absolutely crazy recently, and I just haven't had the chance to paint at all. You know, it's taken all my energies to concentrate on work stuff. So that's why you haven't seen me for a while. But my summer vacation is a staycation. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going on, you know, any fancy holiday anywhere this year. Just staying home, getting the house hopefully sold soon, and then moving. But, you know, being July, there's just nothing happening with the housing market. So, yeah, I am going to concentrate on painting stuff, which is awesome. I just never, ever get the chance to do that. Anyway, what's your summer plans? Let me know. I'd love to hear. Are you getting a summer vacation? And if you are, what are you doing? Right, look at that. Isn't that beautiful cup of paints? Okay, right. I'm just going to pop these bottles away, get my base paint spread out. I had a look, and I don't have enough of either whites or the black with the silver. So I'm going to do a split base. So I'll get on with getting that done, and I will speak to you in a bit. Right, so I am pretty sure there should be enough to spread this paint around. I'm going to use my trusty silicone spatula. This is from the kitchenwares department of, you know, I suppose our version of the dollar store, and it works absolutely beautiful. And being kitchen supplies, it's also quite affordable. Can't remember now what it cost, but really it wasn't all that much at all. And being silicone, you know, extremely easy to keep clean. I've not yet had to even wash it. I just wipe off the excess paint, let it dry, and it's fine for using next time. So yeah. Oh, this is so calming and therapeutic, this paint spreading business. I do like it. What about you? What's your favourite part of painting, if you do paint? I'd love to hear what you think. So yeah, leave me a comment if you'd like. Okay. Now it's time for the black side. Give the spatula a little wipe in between. and fill. That's good enough. Got some air bubbles there, so we'll need to torch before I start throwing paint around. That probably will give this a good tilt as well, just to sort of smooth out the base paint. So, you know, it's not good if I have loads in one spot and not that much in another. So there we go. Almost done. Oh, just a short interlude. I have someone at the door. Just a sec. Right, I'm a bit nervous now, to be quite honest with you. I've not done this in a very, very long time. But here we go. Let's just start throwing paint. And one more there, and there, and there. Oh, wow, look at that. Love it. I love it. Okay, give this a torch. I think I'm going to get some really cool cell action going on because I have some happening already. Oh, this is so delicious looking. Wish I didn't have to touch it, actually. What can you imagine leaving this? Yeah, splitting and cracking city. Here we come. Okay. Just torch out as many of the bubbles as I possibly can at this stage without torching the paint that was close. Or scorching, sorry, I meant to say. Oh, so many cool cells happening. Oh, I can't stand it. There we go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Now, I want to go fairly slow to not disturb the colors too much. And I'm gonna have a nice addition to my already highly dodgy coloured pot of extra base paint. There's some really cool cells there. I don't want to lose that. Just no, don't go anywhere. Okay, I saved most of them, I think. And then I want to go in that direction. A bit more this way. So let's do that corner first. And then I'm going to go back to your right. And down here. Yeah, I love that. I love that I have this band of cells between more, less silly areas. I don't know how else to describe it. Okay, this direction again. Oh, and there is no silicone in my paints whatsoever. I never ever use it. And the cells are purely happening due to the different densities of the different pigments. I love creating cells this way. And also silicone is such a nightmare to clean off before finishing your painting. Okay. I think this is it. Wow. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. Yeah, there's no more paint coming off. Not enough to worry about it anyway. So I think this will dry quite nicely. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just give this a little torch. Get my gloves to the point where I can touch the camera. Not quite there yet. And yeah, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Here we are with the wet results. All I did while you weren't watching was sort out that corner. I had a bikini corner there, so yeah, I completely missed that. I had some more paint on the bottom of the cup, so I just popped it right there. You can see some really nice shimmery stuff happening here and there. But let me just turn around. You see the whole thing from my perspective. Can't speak, it seems. I love these cells here. So cool. And all these little ones, they're so cute. Those were really nice cells, but inevitably they did get stretched out. Look at that there. So nice. So nice. But let me just put the flash on for you and for me, and we'll get an idea of how the shimmer is going to look once it's dry. There we go. Now I have the flash on, so let's go have a look. Yeah, look at that. Keeps going out of focus. Sorry about that. This is going to be absolutely stunning once it's dry. I do love my shimmery, shiny paints, like a magpie, I guess. But yeah, there we go. I love it, and I'd love to hear what you think. I am not going to get a chance to show the dry version this week, but I will be back with the dried results next week. But in the meanwhile, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you, so do leave a comment and a like. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.